What the fuck is this, my? Oh my asshole! What? Who did that? You did it again! Damn, Kevin! Back at it again with the ricer kit. You did that? Custom made?
Un proceso. Ahí va, ahí va. Está marcado.
Hey, you getting it? Let me see your rims. Whose rims are those? I like your BBS, bro. Let's go.
Two boys like Mexico! ¡Zapatale, macizo!
Hi, welcome to another show of BanditxrideZ.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Today, I'm interviewing Bandit.
Who do we think
you think? Good shit or not? What you think? First time? What's up, man? I left it, well, my Beamer's not gonna be available for another fucking year until I can get a shit when I'm on
check
school.
out my leader's car?
Yeah. Who's your ride? What you drive?
The IS300?
Can't see the bumper. So let's check out her.
Nobody knows it's a Lexus, that's why.
Yeah.
I check out the emblems, all of them.
Yeah.
They look like a Lexus.
So I was gonna bring my Beamer, dude, but it's like, the only way I can get it if I tow it and just park it, but I didn't want to pay no park. You know? However, I did bring my Silverado, so. But not perfect for the import, right? It's cool. What you got on it?
Just headers. Headers.
Yeah, no turbo yet?
Not yet. Too much.
Too much for it, and it's gonna fall apart. I can see it right there.
That's what it's called low life.
You try, might as well put on and get some weight reduction, dude.
I don't care. Everybody can roast me.
It's cool.
It's called low life.
So, how'd that happen?
It's called fucking Glendale.
Glendale. Too good over there, huh? Shit. It's pretty clean though. I like it. Fresh. So you the vehicle model? You gonna post for it? Damn, man. Too hot.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, that's how you get free lowered rides, right? That's how you lower your rides, isn't it? Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, bro, catch you around, man. Hey, you want to see these nuts? Right there. Hey, Kevin, want to see these nuts? No, right here, look. Got Toyota. Come on, let's go. Look at this. An old school Civic. You look old school Civic. You got that import racer right there.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
It's alright. Now that's clean. Smell the freshness in it. Hey Kevin, what you think about this one?
Hey, look at this one.
It's a, oh no, that's what I call real JDM. It's like, how will you drive this in the streets, dude? Shit. Now that right there is original imported. Straight from Japan.
Hey, watch the bundles over here.
I seen yours too. So don't try to be cool. I seen your bondos on your. Look at that. What about that one? Clean or not clean?
Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
It's fresh right there. What do you think? You're like, oh, I know it goes room. It goes ring.
Y el auto hace rum rum, ¿no?
The cleanest. That's clean. That's clean. Let's see what we got. What you think? Come on, man. Enough seeing the lawnmowers. Let's go see some real cars. Okay, let's just see one more lawnmower. Just one more. Let's just see. Oh shit. That's supercharged, I think. Yeah, that's hey, and this is a supercharger?
Hey, look at the blue one over there.
Look at that one, has a sweater.
Oh, ahí está mi compa. Mi chava. The red Civic SI.
Yeah. Hey, what about this one? Look. Supercharged now? Wide throttle body. Look at it. Some good weight reduction. If you're living in Glendale, you don't want your Battery's stolen, just put it inside. Oh, yes.
It's a car key.
It's a car keys. Kevin, real low. Even the dogs got ready for the car show. They went really low.
The dog.
I gotta go.
Gonna go take a caca. So Kevin, we're back here for our second year. What you think about it? Sadly I couldn't bring my Beamer, but fuck. Well, you know, we're back here.
Why not?
Because I didn't pass emission inspection. What about you? Do you miss bringing your little red Civic here? Your little wagon? Shit, man. Another year.
Another year of happiness.
Alright, man, let's go check out this show. But meanwhile, let's check out this M4. Oh, yeah. Delicious. Look at the color. That's what I call clean. Clean. Look at this. Rice or pass? What you guys think? We got lots of cars for days. This is our second year being here, and we are great. Yeah.